So, thanks. Hello, I'm Grégoire. I have created this startup with Mathieu 3 years ago because we believe that our emotions are key in human relationship, but also, and more specifically, in business relationship. So you can see that more than 90% of the factors of loyalty are linked to emotion. So I will talk with you about emotion during a couple of minutes, but I have a question for you, a quick quiz. Can you guess and tell me what are the 6 primary emotions that are universal, that people can feel in every country of the world? So you have 6 emotions to find. I'm listening to you. Anger is 1. Fear is 2. Joy, happiness, yes, 3. Sadness, I've heard. 4, you missed 2. Surprise, okay. And the last one? The disgust. So basically you have 6 primary emotions, and what is interesting is that it traduces different needs from your travelers, different expectations. And we will help you to understand this different type of emotion from your travelers, to be able to personalize your answers, your messages when you are dealing with them. I will show you some examples. The kind of benefits that our solution can bring to you is to benchmark your competitor in an emotional perspective, to personalize the customer experience of your travelers, for instance. I will show you some examples just after, to speed your customer service by answering more quickly thanks to prioritization or attribution. And last, we can also help to detect some critical situation thanks to different level of intensity of emotion. So before I show you some examples, how we do that, we use all kind of written feedbacks, like online reviews, for instance, that we can catch from TripAdvisor, or the emails a customer can send to you, verbatim from surveys, and every type of feedbacks or comment that you can find on the web. How does it work? We have developed different type of algorithm. The first type of algorithm, the objective is to understand, to detect emotion in the words that you use, in the expression, in the way that you write. And we have developed a very huge emotional dictionary in different languages that help us to understand the words that are emotional, and thanks to that we can quantify and qualify the different emotional states. Then we cross that with what people are talking about. It's the semantic analysis with other kind of algorithm. The objective is to understand very deeply what are the different subjects and what is the context of your emotion. For instance, you fly. Are you talking about your arrival at the airport or something during your flight? And so we can understand your emotion and the context of the emotion. And we give you the insight and the result through a platform, and I will show you right now some examples. So first we integrate the data that we want to analyze, your data. in the platform. Then we calculate an emotional index, which is like the idea is to catch the trend of the emotion globally or specifically. And we do that, it's like the outside temperature, so the highest it is, the best type of emotion it is. Then we categorize the different thematics, and we restitute you the different type of emotion and the intensity. We can also map the emotional states of your travelers during their customer journey. For instance, in a plane, we can see there how where are the most emotional area in a plane, or by seat, by airport of departure or destination, etc., etc., to better understand where are the best point or the pain point through the emotion perspective. You can also work on alerting system. The objective is to detect the most critical messages. For instance, if you are very angry about, I don't know, the lunch in the plane, or if you feel a lot of fear about the security, we can, through a million of messages, can help you to detect the messages that are the most critical, to answer them in priority. Thank you.